Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add footer at bottom of page in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show add footer and bottom of page. Now going to the insert menu option, then click. Now you can see then we show the interface. Now we show the header and footer. Now I select from footer option. Now select. Now you can see then I show footer. Now I show type for my text. That is. Now you can see now is select from close master page option. Now you can see then I show the all page in footer at bottom of page. Now you can see at footer at bottom of page in publisher document is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for